Hi, welcome back. Another important session. So, what is language pack in SAP or SAP SD or S4 HANA or else any module you take? How to maintain translation for region or any settings for that matters. Okay. So, if you look at here, the transaction code is SPRO. Okay. So, what exactly it is? So, I would like to say one thing. So translations are so very important. Recently, I got an opportunity to work one of my project, okay, other than English language, that is Serbian, okay, European country. In the similar way, I worked for a few projects like German. I worked for a few projects like Vietnamese and Philippine, okay, country relevant languages. Sometimes in Chinese or Japanese, whatever you call. Of course, I didn't work Japanese and Chinese projects, but the place where this is the frequency, like translations are very important. Language, what language pack is going to do? Language pack is with SAP, regional specific or country specific language translation supposed to be needed in their regional language. Suppose if they're supposed to run the business, majority of people by controlled by language to run the business, then this translation 100% it is required. Certain times you have a login. If you see your username and password you are giving, you are entering with English, it will be in English language. If you are entering DE, it might be like German language, or else it can be like Chinese, Japanese, whatever you call mandamas. Okay. So language pack has that much importance. Certain times you're supposed to change, maintain your translation. That I'm going to show you now. So this is important for S4 HANA, especially in rollout projects. We have to perform these kind of activities. There should be need of performing these kind of activities. Okay. So let's try to check. This is my YouTube channel. If you really wanted to get update yourself, please stay with me. Okay. In this channel, I'm currently holding 4,600 students. I have around 19 courses available. If you are very new to the industry, if you would like to, maintain. So we have certain courses for beginners, which is useful shipping and idocs, whatnot. You can able to give a try. I'm just providing these links below of this video. So anyhow, let me get back to the business now. What I would like to explain, you can able to see the S4 on a screen, 2023 SPRO reference IMG. So I already explained in my previous video. There should be some link, right? What I'm explaining. This is the ABAP platform. If you come here, general settings, okay. So like in general settings, let me try to go to any one of the settings like set countries. So here, set country specific. Okay, define countries and regions. Okay. So I can able to define here. For example, let me go to D. Okay, this is one of the good example. Let me go back. I need a regions. Country it is maintained. So insert regions. Okay. Let's try to check D. All these are the different kind of what I would say countries against regions. It is got maintained. What is the last one? Okay, DE. So I'm just keeping some example. So DE. So maybe like some region. Okay. Okay. Test region 1. Suppose if I maintain, for example, so this is the place where your customer will give the requirement actually. Okay. So 1 second. Whether you can able to see the right screen or not, let me check this. Okay, you are watching the right screen. Okay, no problem. So suppose if I maintain this, let's select this. For example, either English or any language you maintain, but you require a translation. Let's click here. This is important. Please follow me. Go to, okay, let me go back. So in go to, so once I came back, there is something called translation. It is very, very important. Let's click here. So it is asking which language you supposed to maintain. If I click here, okay, if I say press enter, so it is asking. So I assume that some German language. It is, I'm just, as of now, I'm maintaining for our convenience, okay, with the same. Actually, if it is German language, then you can able to maintain. I'll show you something else otherwise. So let me go to the Google. So which screen you're watching? I'm just telling this one, test region 1 into German language. Okay, so it will give, okay, or else Google translate German to English. So English to German, that's Google. Okay, just pass this. Oh God, this came. Test region 1. This is what, so this is the translation. Suppose I can able to maintain here, right? Yeah. Why not? Close this now. So now you can, let me try to share again the screen. This is a bit troublesome this time. Okay. So now test region. Okay. So if you wanted to maintain, you can able to maintain this. Okay. So let's save this. Okay. This is how you can able to maintain the translations. You can choose any one of the country. Okay, any one of the thing. Like here also you can able to maintain the translations. Similar way, for example, you select this, go to, just simply click the translation. As of now, it is Germany is there. If it is Japanese pack, you will have a Japan thing, JP, and if you have Vietnamese, then VN will be there. And if it is Philippines, PH or something will be there. Like, you can able to select and you can able to maintain the translation. This is how you can able to do it. I think this was useful for me, the projects where I am working in. Okay. If you would like to learn S4 HANA basics, I have few courses. I just provided the links below. If you really want it, you can give it a try. So thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. All the best.